a large chunk of land, not as previously reported in the media, is 4 acres. You will have noticed, my lady, that in your courtroom this morning are representatives of all the affected people. This matter has brought to the fore the unfortunate suspension of people's basic rights, human rights, and we reiterate this is a matter of urgent national importance, and that you are called upon, my lady, to stand yet again in the gap and deliver justice. Mr. Simeo will respond to specific points of law, because you have had flowery language like forum shopping. And we have had strange things. My lady, prohibition, destruction of livelihoods on behalf of the 25,000 citizens, and a lot of them, my lady, are in that category of purchasers of value and without notice to anything adverse. Therefore, we seek, my lady, in the interest of justice, that you stand in the gap and demonstrate, as my colleague Robert Simeo was ably presented before you, ably demonstrate that this country is under the rule of law and that it is not a police state where citizens in want cannot be easily reached with humanitarian help. I say what has been witnessed in the public space in the last 1 or 2 days is diversionary, where a member of parliament is taken to DCI for whatever reason. It looks like the people, desperate and ashamed of the act of disrespect of the people's basic rights, that they're in a hurry to look for an excuse. We submit, my lady justice, that those efforts must come across. It's a valid title, and my colleague has argued very ably that the principle of res judicata does not apply, that you are properly seized of this matter, and you have jurisdiction. We urge that you issue the necessary orders of immediately stopping this eviction, mass evacuation. In fact, an immediate order for an injunction